Hello everyone. In the series of articleship experiences, Articleship Mitra, here we are with one of the young article students who is actually with us in this bank audit process and having an outstation experience along with his team members, enjoying dinners and lunches as we can all see, but doing lot of other things apart from that. I am sure he has learned a lot of things which he would have otherwise not learned in the process. So I would like to quickly understand as to how was your experience in this bank audit? How did you engage with the team members? Did you feel the warmth and the fun of doing the audit with the hard work that you put across?
So it was a very much new experience for me. As usually before this bank audit days, we were in the office and used to work just for the office hours. So now for bank audit, we were in an outstation. So you used to get an overall exposure with your colleagues for off the day of office and in the duty. So you have to manage and coordinate with them. And in the bank audit, you used to get the CBS how the software works. It is new for us. Basically, we have worked on Tally or any other softwares, but this is something which is different from the usual we do.
Okay. So what is the CBS and how it works and what is your understanding about it?
Yeah. So CBS is a software which is basically banks use for their daily operations. It is kind of an accounting system which is used in a company, but this is overall different from a normal software because it is on a pan level India. So it was good.
So it is called as a core banking system, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So tell me one thing. Did you feel that there is a vast difference in dealing with our regular clients vis-a-vis the manager and the credit manager in the bank?
No, I don't think so because it depends upon the managers or assistant managers how we coordinate with them. Or sometimes it is always about how you're patient for something. So it is somehow related to how we do in a company audit or something.
Okay, great. So I was seeing your enthusiasm and excitement, and I could make out that you enjoyed the entire process, the teamwork, the ambience of the bank, and the lifestyle, and also the hard work, and also your own studies at the same time. And it was a great outstation experience for you. Thank you very much, and I am very glad to have you in the team. As a part of this series of Articleship Mitra, we are trying to give different glimpses of a life of an article student, typical CA aspirant, as to how, what are the agonies and interesting parts of his life over a period of time. So we have Kaivan here. He is a very smart article student, as all of you can make out. Recently, he has been into the bank audit process. We all were together, in fact, and it was an amazing experience. I was very happy with the kind of commitment and hard work that you have put in this activity. So thank you for that, first of all. I would like to ask you a quick question as to what was the process flow or the activities that you did in the process of bank audit. How was it overall? What was your day looking like when you were doing the bank audit?
So I think the first step before conducting a bank audit is to interact with the employees of the bank and maintain a good rapport with them because they are the ones who are going to help you throughout the process. You don't know who the customers are or how the loans are provided, what documents are required. So it is very important to maintain a good rapport with the employees there so that they can help you throughout the process. Then you need to document each and everything that you are getting so that you understand what documents are required but are missing, and so that eventually you will know where the gap is in the whole system. As for how the days looked, I think for bank audit, the most important days are the public holidays because that time the banks are completely empty. We can do the whole, we can have the whole bank to ourselves. We can sit one-to-one with the employees of the bank and get most of our work done.
Yes. Good. So how was your day looking like? When did you start in the morning? When did you end in the evening?
So generally the time at the initial stages was 10 to 8 or 9, whatever our prepared schedule for the day will look like. But at the end of the audit period, we had to sit for a bit longer, 9:30, 9:45.
So you enjoyed the overall experience, or you felt it is too much taxing, or it helped you in the
It
your
was a
experience?
very new experience for me. It was very new learning. It was a different type of audit than what we used to do for the companies. So yeah, it was overall a very good experience for me.
So
yeah.
what will you like to give a message to the fellow CA aspirants or article students or who are aspiring to join articleship? Should they do this?
I think you should definitely do bank audit if you get an opportunity, because it is a complete different experience. You get to know about the banking sector also, how the loans and advances are granted, what the process flow for deposits is, and you get to know the in and out of the banking system as well. So it's a very good opportunity if you get to do it.
Thank you, Kaivan, for your time, and I am very, very pleased to have you in the team. It is always amazing to do different activities in the articleship time, and I remember my days of articleship, and I am very, very keen to make sure that all the articles who are doing good articleships during their time should maximize their learning in the process. One of the activities that we used to long for, and all of these young chaps also long for, is the articleship bank audit. That's an amazing experience all the while. That is my thinking. Let's listen from Manas. Manas is a senior article student with our firm, has been doing great work here. And I would like to know, Manas, from you as to what are the technical aspects or the technical things that you picked up from this bank audit, and how will they help you in your CA curriculum?
So, firstly, in a statutory audit or stat audit, we said the same thing. So, in a statutory audit or a tax audit, the clients will give us their documents of the loan they have taken or credit facility they have taken, and we just verify those documents. But doing a bank audit, we go and sit on the other side of the table, and now we are able to, go through the process behind the approval. There is so much thing to learn in bank audit, like on what basis the drawing power is assessed, on what basis term loan or even the credit of a person is availed. So overall, I would say there is so much to learn in bank audit, not just from a financial point of view, but even from an audit point of view.
Okay, great. And how are the deadlines vis-a-vis the regular audit and the bank audit? What do you feel?
So, in a regular audit, we have like the for tax audit due date is 30 September. For statutory audit is 30 October. So, in bank audit, we are given 15 days to audit a big entity. So, definitely there is a very extreme time crunch. But the fun in articleship is to work hard and we sit for long hours. We are doing the work. So it's a joyful experience overall.
Good. And I was seeing that you were kind of leading the entire team, and you were guiding them, telling them to ye kar le, wo kar le, and all that. So how is your experience in that side? Did you like the teamwork? Did you feel difference in the way you deal with on day-to-day basis vis-a-vis here?
So I would say that the credit of completing the work and doing the work goes to entire team. It was not I guiding the team; they were doing it themselves. If they had some doubt, they would come to me because I was senior for them. But overall, I would say the team was very supportive, and it was the teamwork that brought it all together.
Okay, great. Thank you, Manas. You have done a very good job, and I am very, very happy. And I am, wishing you all the best for your way forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello, everyone. We have Vinod Pawar here. We were doing bank audit together this time, and it was a great experience, Vinod. And I liked your commitment and your ability to do the work in a tight schedule. Vinod, I would like to know, in this process of bank audit, you were busy for almost 10 days when the audit started and 2 to 3 days in the preparation, right? So a lot of work has happened in the process. So how did you balance your studies vis-a-vis the audit activity that you are doing? Were you able to spend some time attending lectures or doing any kind of prep work for your CA final, or you were just doing the audit?
Yes, at the very beginning, while coming from the Mumbai only, I have made up my mind that bank audit though I will do all of the day, but somehow I'll have to manage my studies because that is also a very significant part of my life and I can't leave it. मतलब एकदम से छोड़ नहीं सकता मैं उसको. So then I used to study at nights, initial 4 to 5 days, I
Oh.
used to study at nights, but then gradually work pressure began to, like the work also began to pile up and all the workload came. So it was very difficult for us to manage studies with the work. But somehow we have to lose some part of our, means like we cannot get all the things at a time, right? So that's how it is. At the very ending phase of the, it is very difficult to manage studies. So you have to, means, sacrifice some of the other things.
Great, great. So still you found time at least 4 to 5 days to study, 2 to
Yeah,
3 hours
yeah,
every
yeah,
day.
yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
very good, very good.
Yeah.
And I would like to ask you another question. Yesterday I was with you in the dinner and I could see the kind of interest that you were showing in different items that we were eating. How is the lifestyle in the bank audit?
Yeah, overall lifestyle is very good. Means like you get a very different atmosphere over here. Like I have worked in the statutory audit, but never this is some another kind of experience. I can't describe in words. That I.
But were you comfortable? Did you enjoy
I
the
was,
dinners and lunches
I was very. That was the
after the hard day?
that was a very, means, special part of this teamwork and all the things we used to sit at lunch, dinner, and everything together. We used to have a lot of fun, and it was a very good experience.
Great. So it is both fun and
Yeah.
hard work put together.
Yes,
So
yes.
you have to balance between studies, assignment,
Yeah.
and fun part with all your friends and
Mhm.
teammates, right? Great work, Vinod. We are very pleased to have you in our team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.